Symphony. The way this works is we're going to do like a little musical number, okay? But we don't have any musical instruments, so we're going to assign musical instruments to each one of our players, okay? Or some sort of sound effect. And then I will direct them in a musical number, and they will do their sounds, and it'll be hysterically funny, all right? Ma'am, is she still with us? Are you awake? Okay, perfect. All right, good. All right, so give me an instrument or a noise that you might hear in a parade. Yell it out, raise your hand.
Tuba.
Tuba, good, I like tuba. Daryl, you're going to be our tuba guy, so give me your best tuba noise. When I point at Daryl, he'll do a tuba noise. Ready? Go ahead. Tuba with a her lip. All right. Try it again. Good. I miss Daryl. All right. All right, Andrea, give me some sort of a noise that you might hear, say, in a pet shop. I like that. Pet shop, sir. The noise you might hear in a pet shop. A dog barking or a duck barking? I thought I heard a dog. Dog barking? All right, way to really put it out there. Okay, go ahead. Andrea, dog barking. Ready? Boom. Lots of support from the lesbians. All right. It's kind of like, what was yours again? And yours? All right, easy, Duck Dynasty. Holy shit! All right. All right, so Brad, you play trumpet.
Yes, I do.
I want you to do your best trumpet noise because I'm not even going to pick one for them. You just, all right, ready? Trumpet noise. That was trumpet on acid. All right.
Oh, I missed this getting picked up.
It's love, though. I mean, love down. I fucking hate you people. All right, anyway. All right, Jordan is into gaming. Give me a video game noise that you might hear. Anybody want to throw that one out there?
Game over.
What was that?
Laser beam.
All right, so laser beam combined with game over. Laser beam, game over. Do that again? Okay, good. All right. I'm sorry, your name again was Kira. Thank you, Kira. All right, Kira, do you like the ballet? Do you like opera? Give me your best opera note. Kira, give me your best opera note. Come on, you can do this, sweetheart. Come on, you got vagina on your side. You can do it. You can do it. Hold on. Here we go. Everybody shut the fuck up. Here we go. Kira will do her opera noise. Myron, where the fuck are you going, dude? It's opera.
I know, I'll be back.
You'll be back?
Yeah.
All right, he's got to do his coke. Okay, go ahead. Opera noise. Ready? Very good. Yes. Nothing wrong with that. Nothing wrong with that. All right, last but not least, Marty. Marty has a 5-year-old like I do. Give me a noise that a 5-year-old might make. Somebody that, you shut up. What was that? Really? A 5-year-old drum sound? Okay, Marty, you step the fuck off. You come up here. I want to. All right, so the sound that your child makes when he falls and hurts himself. Ready? Go. Oh my God. Your son is a pussy. Okay, anyway. All right, let me have a knife here. All right, so everybody's got their noise. You know what it is, right? So let's go down the line and check it out. Ready, go. It was a dog barking. Ready?
Yeah.
She's like, I'm bored already. Ready? You can do this. Come on, have fun with it. Ready, go. Perfect. All right, good. 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 All right, so here we go. We're going to do a little song. I need the audience to keep the beat. So just get a hand clap and get a beat going. Ready? Go ahead. Whatever you want. Ready? Go. Okay, too many white people in here. Holy shit, seriously? There we go. All right, here we go. This is Sound Symphony. You ready? Here we go. When I point to you, you do your noise. If I go like this, forgot to tell them this. If I go like that, you keep it going. If I go like that, you stop. All right? Here we go. I'm a beat, bitch. Keep it going. It's a butter knife. like a Rob Zombie film. What was